Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing a few Valentine's Day makeup looks because 'tis the season. I feel like this is really gonna just destroy my face after putting on makeup and wiping off makeup and 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 putting Okay, so I'm just gonna get like right into it. I'm not gonna concentrate too much on the face look because for the most part the face looks will be the same. I will tell you guys otherwise, but hey, first things first, primer. I'm always gonna do primer. Too Faced Hangover RX for all the looks. It's gonna be the same. Okay. Got it good. While I let that sink into my skin, Aquaphor all over the lips because we don't want them getting crusty and dusty. Mine are already crusty and dusty. There's really like no fixing it. But if something were to fix it, it would be Aquaphor. Like this is the best that I've found so far. And what I like to do, I just recently started doing this, is I like to curl my eyelashes before I do my makeup because my eyelashes really just stick straight out, so I curl them beforehand so that they kind of know what's going on. I give them a little bit of time to get with the system, to lift up a little bit, and then by the time I put on mascara I'll curl them again so they'll be like, oh, she wants us to be up here. So hopefully they'll listen. We'll see. Oh, and I use the Tweezerman eyelash curler. It has changed my eyelash game so much. Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. I will say this foundation sucks with the color selection and it doesn't really match my skin, but whatever. LA Girl Pro Conceal. Set it all down using Airspun. Oh, that is messy. Anastasia Brow Wiz. Lorac Contour Kit. Ooh, ASMR. Okay. Why does it look so much harsher on the camera than in my mirror? I don't know why it looks like this. It doesn't look bad in the mirror. Next, Milani Luminoso Blush, of course. I put on a lot of blush, but it is Valentine's Day. Do I look crazy? I can't tell. I can't tell. I look fine over here, and then I look over here, and I'm just like, ooh, no. We finally made it to the eyes, and this first look I actually used to do every single day for school in like high school. It's just a perfect, she gone. It's very like subtle and natural and like everyday, but you got those pinky Valentine's Day vibes thrown in there. So the thing I like best about this look is you can do it with so many different palettes. I'll show you a few that you can do it with. So you can do it with the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, the Modern Renaissance palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette, James Charles palette, and this little Revlon Photo Ready 501 Metropolitan palette. And you can pretty much get the same looks using all of them. I'm gonna go first in the chocolate bar one. I'm gonna use the color Semi Sweet right here and put it all into my crease. Should I zoom you? I'll zoom you guys in a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Revlon Photo Ready palette, and I'm going to use this deep dark brown shade. I'm gonna put this all in the outer corner and buff it into the crease just a little bit. Well, actually kind of a lot. Next, I'm going to use this light pink shade at the very top and put this all over my lid. If you were using a chocolate bar palette, you can use it for this entire look and just use Semi Sweet, Triple Fudge, and Marzipan, yeah, that one. I'm gonna take my finger at first. Personally, I do like Marzipan or whatever it's called from the chocolate bar palette a little bit more, so I think I am going to use that one. They're actually pretty much like the same color though. I'm just going to take the dark chocolate brown color again and put it on my outer corners and kind of blend it out a little bit more. Next, I am going to take the same dark chocolatey brown color and smudge it under the lower lash line. I'm next going to take the NYX retractable eyeliner in the color brown and just smudge this on my upper lash line. It does not need to be a perfect line by any means, but now that I have it smudged on my upper lash line, time to curl the eyelashes again. And I'm going to apply L'Oreal Lash Paradise to the top and bottom. Next, I'm going to add highlight, and I use the Mary Luminizer highlight. I'm going to apply this on the tops of my cheek, tip of my nose, a little bit of Cupid's bow, a little bit, and inner corners and brow bone. Lastly, I'm going to apply Buxom White Russian Lip Gloss. So this is final look number 1 for Valentine's Day. I think it's really pretty. It's very low-key Valentine's Day. Like, you got some pinks in there. It's also very neutral toned with the browns and everything. So yeah, first look done. Moving on to the second look. I did the exact same face makeup, except I used Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon Blush instead of my Milani Luminoso. And this next look is really easy, and I think it's Kylie Jenner inspired. I'm not sure, but I heard that from another YouTuber who was wearing this eye look, Paige Coren, I think. And it looked really pretty on her, and I figured it was like the perfect Valentine's Day look. I think she said it was originally from Kylie Jenner. You guys will probably know. I don't follow much of the Jenners, like I don't really know much about them, so, but you guys will probably know. So I'm using the James Charles palette, and I'm going to put this color yet again. Don't know the shade names because I lost the insert, but it's not surprising. Putting this all over my lid, like covering my lid. The shade Face, I think I remembered that shade name correctly. I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. I hated this shade at first, but now it's like really pretty. Next, I'm going to take the hot pink color and put it all in the inner corners of my eye and kind of blend it out a little bit going up. I'm then going to take Pinkity Drinkity, remember that name, and kind of blend out the edges of the hot pink. I feel like this look with really big dramatic lashes would be really pretty, but I don't got any of those. Looks like I'm just gonna have to curl and apply some mascara. I'm going to put on the Sephora Lip Stories in the color We. It is a cream lipstick. And I'm going to put a little bit of the e.l.f. lip gloss in the color Pink Kiss. I'm going to put that in the center. Might be a lip oil. I don't know. So this is look numero dos. I think it's way more fun and it's super easy. It takes like 5 seconds. The pop of pink just really does scream Valentine's Day. I'm really digging this look. It was really fast, really easy. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Okay, so this next look I'm super excited for. I'm trying to go for a more glowy vibe, Valentine's Day glow, so I am going to use the Milani Luminoso blush. My eyes are burning from wiping off my makeup, and the pink color from the last palette stained my outer corner a little bit. We're just going to ignore that. Oh, my eyes are not doing okay. And I'm super excited for this because I'm using the Kathleen Lights ColourPop eye pigments, and I just got these. This is the color The Scales, and she said best used wet or tapped over a glitter primer, and I'm just gonna tap it over a glitter primer on my eyes because I want it to be more of that wet glow type look. So I'm just tapping this all over my lid. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it gives the prettiest, like almost wet pink look, and I'm digging it. Super pretty. It's like a wet pink with little blue sparkles. Like your eyes just look wet. So good. Champagne pop, putting this everywhere, giving that glowy vibe to the skin. Mascara time. This look is super easy. And topping it off with the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brulee. Cream Brulee? We still don't know. This look is honestly probably one of my favorites. It was definitely like the easiest one because all I did was pack the shimmer all over my eye, put on some mascara and some gloss, and I'm good to go. And I think it looks so pretty. So this next look that I'm going to do, the lighting might be a little different. I might look a little different, we don't know, but my cousin's picking me up and we're going to B-dubs and I don't have time to film my final look before he gets here. That being said, if the lighting is off in the next transition, that's why. Gotta go get the B-dubs. It's a necessity right now. It's good for the soul. Insert SpongeBob clip.
Good for your soul.
Once I get that B-dubs in me, then I will film my last and final makeup look for you guys. So, funny story actually. It's 2 days later. So I went and I got the B-dubs. B-dubs was amazing. I had to get a takeout box, and then I left the takeout box at B-dubs because I always leave my leftovers at the restaurant. I can't remember the last time I didn't do that. Long story short, my life is a mess, and I just ended up hanging out with my cousin afterwards and then lost track of time. Then my brother came up the next day, and now we are here, finally. Got a little Valentine's Day cookie. I don't know how people don't like these kind of cookies, but a lot of people don't. Can't relate. Ow! I picked up the chair and I went to scooch it forward. You know how you like lift it up and scooch it forward, and I set it right on my foot and then sat down on it. Yet again, my life is a mess. This next look is going to be really easy, but it's honestly the most stressful in my opinion because I hate doing eyeliner. I'm just gonna take this brown shade right here. I think it's Pooter from Jaclyn Hill's palette. And I'm putting this all over my lid, like all over. I just want like a nice brown color all over the lid. And this kind of has a pinkier tint to it, which is even better. So that's all I'm doing for eyeshadow. Super easy. I'm gonna put on Hot Mama blush by The Balm. I hit pan. Doesn't happen very often, so thought I'd mention it. This is a really pretty Valentine's Day blush. Now I'm gonna try and do winged eyeliner. We're just gonna see how this goes. They're a little uneven, but like they're good for me, so I'm impressed with myself. The more I look at it, the worse it gets. Put on mascara and move on. No, it wasn't dry, and then my freaking eyelash curler took off like the entire line. I'm not gonna fix it. I can't fix it. I was doing so well. Mary Luminizer on the tops of the cheeks and the nose. The wing eyeliner, and then this lipstick I'm using is Bad Blood from Urban Decay. And I think that's what really helps make this look pop like a lot. So personally, I think this look is really pretty. I think the bright red lips and the winged eyeliner make it really like dramatic, and yet it's super simple. Yeah, this is the final look I have to show you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a great Valentine's Day. And if you like this video, then be sure to subscribe. And if you are subscribed, then I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.